Well, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again and still with me Abiratiza. We are today going to learn about simple past tense. And in this occasion, we would like to discuss about the function, the form, the time signals, some examples, and of course doing some exercise related to simple past tense. So let's start studying. Oke guys, simple past tense adalah salah satu tenses dasar yang sangat penting kita kuasai untuk bisa menerapkan bahasa Inggris dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Apa fungsinya? Simple past tense digunakan untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang sudah lampau, to tell about past events or our experience. Jadi menceritakan pengalaman kita. And the time signals atau keterangan waktu yang biasa kita gunakan untuk menceritakan kegiatan dalam simple past tense adalah last, ago, yesterday, in 1980, this morning, recently. Last artinya yang lalu, kita bisa kembangkan atau tambahkan kata lain, misalnya last week, minggu lalu, last month, bulan lalu, last year, tahun lalu, dan sebagainya. Next, blank 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 ago, artinya juga masih yang lalu ya. Misalnya 2 days ago, 2 hari yang lalu, 3 days ago, 3 hari yang lalu, 3 years ago, 3 tahun yang lalu, dan seterusnya. Selanjutnya, yesterday, tahu ya, artinya kemarin. Kemudian in blank blank blank, kita bisa tambahkan nama tahun ya di setelah kata in. Misalnya seperti 1980 in 1980, 1990 in 1990, dan seterusnya. And then this morning artinya tadi pagi, and recently artinya baru-baru ini. Okay, next we are discussing about the form ya. Kita akan bahas tentang rumusnya. There are two kind of sentences. Do you still remember? Yeah, verbal sentence and nominal sentence. Yaitu kalimat yang menggunakan kata kerja atau verbal sentence dan kalimat yang tidak menggunakan kata kerja atau nominal sentence. Okay, we discuss one by one. In positive sentence, we use subject plus verb to plus object or complement. For negative sentence, we use subject, did, plus not, plus verb 1, plus object or complement. And for interrogative, we put did in the beginning of the sentence, plus subject, plus verb 1, plus object or complement. Okay, read the example. For positive sentence, they visited my house last week. For negative, they didn't visit my house last week. Interrogative, did they visit my house last week? The answer will be yes, they did, or no, they didn't. Now answer the questions. What did the children do last night? Good. They watched TV last night. Now answer the questions. Did your father play football this morning? No, he didn't play football. He rode bicycle this morning. Okay, in order to be able to create good sentence in simple past, we must remember the changing of verb. Okay, let's start studying about nominal sentence in simple past tense. For positive sentence, we use subject plus was plus were plus complement. For negative, we use subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. And interrogative, we put was or were in the beginning of the sentence plus subject plus complement. And remember, was is used with subject I, she, he, it, and were is used with they, we, you. While complement consists of adjective, noun, and adverb. Example, he was sick yesterday. He wasn't sick yesterday. Was he sick yesterday? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Okay, now try to answer these questions. Where was he last holiday? Do you know? Yes, he was in Bali last holiday. Next, what was your grandfather's profession when he was young? Do you know the answer? Yes, good. My grandfather was a soldier. Okay, we have studied about simple past tense, and now it's time for doing some exercise. Okay, these are some exercises of simple past tense. Number 1. He blank 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 football last week. He blank 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 football last week. So which one is the best answer? Plays, play, played, or is playing? Okay, to answer these questions, we must look at the time signal. Here, there is a last week. Last week is the time signal of simple past tense. So, we must put verb to answer these questions. So, the answer will be played. Next, number 2. My father blank 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 this house in 1995. My father blank 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 this house in 1995. Okay, do you know the answer? Has bought, buys, or will buy. Okay, the same as usual. To answer these questions, we must see the time signals. Jadi kita harus melihat lagi-lagi time signal yang ada di kalimat ini. Dan di sini ada in 1995, tahun yang sudah lampau. Ini adalah ciri dari simple past tense. So we must put verb to. Jadi kita harus meletakkan verb to untuk melengkapi kalimat ini. So the answer will be bought. Okay, good. We continue number 3. He blank 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 fed 5 years ago. He blank 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 fed 5 years ago. Ini adalah contoh pertanyaan tentang nominal sentence di simple past tense. He blank 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 fed 5 years ago. Kita lihat ada keterangan waktu 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Dan to be yang sesuai untuk simple past tense adalah untuk subjek he adalah good, was. So the answer is was. Next, number 3. Sorry, I blank 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 come to your party last night because I blank 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 sick. Jadi ada dua jawaban yang diperlukan. Which one? Don't and don't, or didn't and don't, or didn't and was, or blank 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 was and didn't. Okay. Pertama-tama kita harus melihat keterangan waktu yang tersedia, yaitu last night. Last night adalah keterangan waktu untuk simple past. Dan di sini ada verb atau kata kerja come. Maka untuk membuat kalimat negatif dari simple past tense yang ada kata kerjanya, kita perlu kata kerja bantu did. Jadi ada dua pilihan jawaban, didn't and don't, didn't and was. Selanjutnya, because I blank 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 sick. Karena ini adalah simple past, maka kita perlu to be was. Jadi the correct answer is didn't was. The last question. There is a dialogue here. Ada dialog di sini. A blank blank blank. B answer, I watch news on TV this morning. I watch news on TV this morning. Which one is the correct questions? Yang manakah pertanyaan yang benar untuk mengisi dialog A di atas? Apakah what are you watching? What do you watch? What did you watch? Or what were you watching? Okay, look at the verb and the time signal in this sentence. Jadi kita lihat kata kerja dan keterangan waktu yang ada di sini. Ada watch, itu verb to, and then this morning adalah salah satu keterangan waktu untuk simple past. Jadi untuk melengkapi dialog ini kita memerlukan kalimat tanya dalam simple past. Yang mana? Good. What did you watch? Okay. Sekarang we try to send the answer. And we will look at the score. Okay, so this is very good. The answer, the total point of our answer is 100. Okay, these are some examples related to simple past tense. I hope that you understand about this topic. If you have any questions, please send the comment in this video. Thank you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.